mission to discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales. Today, we're exploring Fagan Park, but we're not just here for the playground, the beautiful gardens, or a relaxing family day out. We have one mission today. Can we find 3 bridges at Fagan Park? Let's go! Of course, before any adventure, we need energy. So we started our morning with a full breakfast before heading out to explore Fagan Park. Full stomachs, happy kids. Now, let the bridge hunt begin. Our first stop was the huge playground. And look at the view from up here. Here's plenty of space for the kids to explore and burn some energy. Callie especially loved the flying fox. I think she could have stayed here all day long. Meanwhile, baby Alexander was taking things a little easier, just chilling on the swing and enjoying the day. But we have a mission, so it's time to keep moving. After the playground, we walked a little farther and came across the North American Garden. Fagan Park is home to the gardens of many nations, with different garden areas inspired by places around the world. So even just walking around the park feels like you're discovering something new. But still no bridge. And then we found it. Bridge number 1. Of course, we had to stop here and get a family photo. And while you're on the bridge, keep an eye out for the ducks. Here's a little activity for the kids. How many ducks can you count? It's such a simple thing, but it makes exploring the park even more fun for them. One bridge down, 2 more to go. Then we came across one of our favorite spots of the day, the beautiful Mediterranean Garden staircase. Look at this! We definitely couldn't leave without taking some photos here. If you visit Fagan Park, put this spot on your photo list. Apparently, one of the nicest compositions is from the staircase looking down towards the lake. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to take that shot this time. So if you visit, try it and let us know how your photo turns out. We kept walking through the gardens and then we spotted Bridge 2. We're getting close. Only one more bridge to find. One thing we really enjoyed about Fagan Park is how much space there is to explore. You can come here for a relaxing walk, have a picnic with a family, let the kids enjoy the playground, or simply wander through the different gardens and enjoy the flowers and scenery. It's a huge park, so you definitely don't have to see everything in one visit. But for us today, forget everything else. We need the 3rd bridge. We kept walking, looking around, still looking, until finally we found it. Bridge number 3. Mission complete. We did it. Our little Fagan Park Bridge Challenge is officially complete. But wait, there are more. But here's the funny part. There are actually more bridges around Fagan Park. One that we didn't get a chance to visit is the beautiful red bridge around the Chinese garden. So I think we already have a reason to come back. Next time, maybe the challenge should be, how many bridges can we actually find in Fagan Park? And that's our Fagan Park family adventure. We came for a day out, explored the playground, discovered some beautiful gardens, took plenty of photos, and most importantly, we found our 3 bridges. If you're visiting with kids, make your own little challenge. find the bridges, count the ducks, explore the gardens, take some family photos, and just enjoy walking around together. Because sometimes you don't need a big destination or an expensive activity to make a good family memory. You just need somewhere to explore together. And that's what our little adventure are all about. Have you been to Fagan Park? If you have, tell us in the comments. What's your favorite garden or bridge? And if you know a bridge that we missed, let us know where it is because we might have to come back and find it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Team Labata for more family adventures around New South Wales. See you in the next one! The best family adventures aren't about how far you go, but the memories you make along the way. Explore, discover, make memories.
Cars to fix, bills to pay, rooms to clean, meals to make. What a life that we've designed, I'd do it a million times.